about creating a WhatsApp AI assistant for myself. It sounds very difficult. I think I have to hire a technical person to create this bot for me, and then only I think I can create the bot, because I want that as soon as I receive a query by the customer on WhatsApp, 24/7 the reply should be automatically forwarded towards the customer. But if I'm going to hire a team, it will cost a lot. So I'm thinking of creating an AI assistant that is actually going to help, and it is going to reply to all the queries that I receive from my customers on WhatsApp. But I think I should hire a technical person for doing that. If you're thinking like this, you think that for creating a WhatsApp AI assistant, you need to hire a technical person? No, you can do this. You can create a WhatsApp AI assistant right now without need of any technical, coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Chatflow. If you don't believe me, I have created this one. And if you want to check how it's replying to the queries, I am going to act as a customer with this bot right over here. So my first question is, what items are prohibited for being shipped through Swift Cargo Logistics? I have a logistics business and I have created the bot for that business. So this is the first question I have. I will share it towards this AI assistant bot that I have created. It will take few seconds for the reply to come, so you might have to wait for a few seconds if you're looking at it for the customer's point of view. You can see right away I've instantly received the reply. Believe me, I've not hired a single person to reply to any of the questions. AI assistant is doing all of this. The reply is Swift Cargo Logistics does not allow shipment for all these products right here. In the similar manner, I have a different kind of question, that is, what shipping options do you offer? Do you have express or same day delivery? So this is my next question. I'm asking about the service towards this business. And now let's see what kind of reply I will receive. Swift Cargo Logistics offers these shipping options. These are the shipping options I have received. So now you understood? This is how the replies are going to come from the AI assistant towards your customers as well. And you can create this AI assistant by the end of this video. You will have your own WhatsApp AI assistant. So stay tuned till the end and let's create this AI assistant together. I'm creating this AI assistant using the software Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to access Pabbly Chatflow, on a new tab, search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to this page right here. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time to create this AI assistant. Sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits, you can create this bot right away, absolutely without need of any coding and programming skills. And if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime plan to create such amazing bot for your business, you can use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant discounts on the yearly and one-time plans of Pabbly Chatflow. I have already logged in and created an AI assistant. I will just show you all the steps that I've followed in order to create this AI assistant. If you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, how you can add your own WhatsApp number, what are the features, how all the features of Pabbly Chatflow work, there are more features that you can use of Pabbly Chatflow. For that, you can check out all the video links in the description section. Now, I have created the AI assistant on this AI assistant section right here. My assistant is in the name of Build 24/7 WhatsApp AI Support Bot No Code. You can rename the assistant from this section right here according to your requirement. Now, there are 4 sections that you need to complete in order to have this entire AI assistant, and it's very easy to set up. First, you have to select the instruction type. I have selected as AI agent. You can select other instruction type according to your requirement. According to the type, the instructions are going to automatically appear. If you want to add in, eliminate or edit any of the points from the instructions, you can definitely do that. Okay. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1. 0 being very focused replies from the AI assistant towards the customers and 1 being creative. I want in middle, so I've selected as 0.5. AI to use, currently have the option of OpenAI only, so I've selected OpenAI right here, and the model I'm using 5.4 GPT 5.4. You need to have a paid account with OpenAI to create this AI assistant, remember that. Okay. Next is API key. To have the key directly go towards the hyperlink, you will land towards OpenAI's API keys page. Generate the key from here of your account, copy it from here, paste it down in the field and click on the connect button. The connection is going to be created. Next is AI assistant settings. If you want header footer messages, toggle the button on. If you want to add and stop keywords, toggle this button on. If you want retry attempt, toggle this button on from here. Last is fallback message. This message is is going to be forwarded in one case only, if the AI is not responding. This key that you've entered is not responding. In that case, the fallback message is going to be forwarded. Next is knowledge source. Now, this AI assistant was replying to what? The queries that your customers send on WhatsApp or your lead sends on WhatsApp. For that, you have to tell this AI assistant what your business is about, right? If the AI assistant doesn't know what your business is about, it can't help others. So in this case, you have to create a documentation explaining what is your business about, what are the details. So I've created this amazing knowledge base right over here. If you want to learn how you can create the best knowledge base for your business, check out a video link of the best knowledge base in the description section below, where I've taught you how you can create the best knowledge base ever. Okay, so I have created this knowledge base for my business and uploaded in this section. If you see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base is uploaded from this section right here. Add the file, select the file and upload the knowledge base. Okay, next is interface. Now, a very amazing thing I'm going to tell you right now. If you want that this AI assistant should be added on your website so that anyone can contact the bot from the website itself, you can do that with Pabbly Chatflow as well. Now, the settings, assistant interface and styling is for that. So this is how the interface of your AI assistant is going to look like on website, just like this. If you want to edit this header, you can edit it from here. If you want to edit this line, if you want to edit the initial message, disable this powered by Pabbly, add in the footer link, you can do that from this section right here. Last is users first message. What is the usual first query or a message you receive from your customers directly towards bot? You have to add that message right here. Okay, last is styling. Now, if you have your own business, you might have your own colors that tells and talks about your business. So you can do that from this section. Change the theme, shape, colors, add in the profile picture, assistant picture in the background, all according to your requirements. You can do it from the styling section. AI assistant is created. Just activate it from here and save the assistant, and the AI assistant is going to be on and it's created successfully. It's that easy. Anyone can create the assistant nowadays on WhatsApp with help of Pabbly Chatflow. To add this assistant on your website, go to embedded, copy the script, paste it on your website code. You have the AI assistant added on your website as well. Now let's check whether this AI assistant is replying or not. Again, I will ask my last question towards this AI assistant, that is, what payment methods do you accept for shipment booking? One last question I'm going to ask. Let's see what kind of a reply I receive for this query that I have. You can see we accept these payments and these are the payments. Very direct answer. In a formatted manner, you can see AI assistant was replying quickly to my question. Okay. So now, if you want to activate this AI assistant, automatically activate this AI assistant on all the messages that you receive in your Pabbly Chatflow account, go to settings and inbox settings section. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down till the end and you will come to this enable auto reply. Enable this button on from here. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to, and select the AI assistant from the drop down that you've created and save this rule from here. Towards all the contacts, this AI assistant is going to be automatically assigned. With that, to a specific chat do you want to assign this AI assistant? For that, select the chat whom you want to assign this AI assistant to. Toggle this choose AI assistant option. Select the AI assistant from the drop down. This AI assistant is going to be activated on that single chat as well. So this is how you can activate it on a single chat. So as now this AI assistant is created and it's replying, this is how you create WhatsApp AI assistant to reply 24/7 queries in your business using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any technical, coding and programming skills. If you have any questions or doubts related to this setup, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime plans, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant discounts. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.